Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is my Brother MFC, that's Multi-Function Center printer. It's the MFC L2700DW, and today I am going to show you how to change out the toner. These have two types of toner, a low yield and a high yield. They are TN630 and TN660, and if you forget that, it's right up here on the sticker attached to the machine. You'll also have the warning that says, up here to give you an idea, replace toner, open the front cover, replace toner, cartridge. You get the idea. It's not a terribly complex operation, but if you haven't done it yourself, it's always nice to see how it's done by someone else doing it for you, and that's what we're here to do today. First step is to open up the front piece, left and right here. Open that, and now let's lower this a little bit. Inside, you can see a green Brother sticker that says DR630. We're going to pull that out. Follow the black arrow in the center, pull it straight out. And that reveals the cartridge right here. The cartridge is just simply going to lift out. You can pop it out with this button on the left. That lifts it up and then pull it out. You can get ink on you. That dark roller at the top is covered with ink. So at this time, I'm going to set this to the side and get our new one ready. Here's our new one. It's a 660, that's the high yield. I don't remember how many pages it'll give you. I'll put that on the side of the screen, what the 630 or the 660 does. These will run you around $50, and you can get them most office supply stores, probably Sam's Club, definitely Amazon. But we'll open this up and I'll show you. Brother has a cartridge recycling program. They make it really easy. You're just going to want to save the actual styrofoam things that will hold your cartridge securely, the foil pack bag to put the old one back in, and in the box itself is a return label so you can mail this back to them at no cost to you. And that helps everybody by recycling. They also have a paper version of what to do for recycling and how to replace a toner in a generic fashion. So on here, you have the tear tabs. Pull them open, remove your new cartridge, and you can see this cartridge has the TN660, and it also has an orange protective plastic covering over that black roller we showed you earlier. You have to pull this off, and I'm going to use this to cover the old one. And now we're ready to reinsert this. So here's the tray we took out. Lift the old one out and put the new one right into place. Should slide in. And I'm going to press it down. You should hear a click. I'll lift it up so you can hear it better. That's the click. You saw the little green tab on the left kind of flip. So now that's in there securely. So now we need to put the tray back in the printer. Again, not terribly complex, but if you haven't done it before, it's always nice to watch someone else do it before you try. Okay, this just slides in. Don't force anything. Okay, it feels like it's in there. Doesn't go any further. And now I'm going to close the top, and if everything worked out, this will sense the new cartridge in there, and it'll start to cycle up. You'll hear the whir getting louder, and we'll read the new top. So I'll bring this forward. Hopefully this works. Here we go. Please wait, it says now. There it goes. Now I had a print job going, so it might spit a couple extra pages out of here. While this print job is completing, let me take a minute to say, number one, thank you for watching my video. And number two, if this helped you, please feel free to hit the thumbs up button and even subscribe. Every single subscriber is appreciated and makes a big difference in my channel. Thanks. I'll get back to work.